So you found some monarch butterfly eggs or caterpillars on your milkweeds. Exciting! What are you gonna do? So what I used to do is I would pick the leaf where the eggs or the caterpillars are on, bring them home into the butterfly cage, waiting for the eggs to hatch. I've had some problems doing that in the past. One being the milkweed leaves would dry out very quickly. So it's very difficult for me to check and verify how the eggs are doing if the caterpillars came out. And once the caterpillars came out, the leaves are so dry that they don't have any fresh food to eat. And this year I started doing something different. Instead of picking a single leaf, I cut the entire branch where the eggs or the caterpillars are on, and then I put all of them in a vase with the fresh water. So this way the eggs will hatch and the leaves will still stay fresh, and the baby caterpillars can eat whenever they feel like it. I would never have to worry about replacing leaves, adding new leaves, or losing any of the baby caterpillars. From my observation, the milkweed vase life is quite long as well. So those milkweeds have been in the vase for about 3 weeks. They're still very fresh and very green. And as you can see, at this point, the caterpillars are definitely visible and big enough to handle being moved around. All I have to do when one branch getting too old or too dry is to remove the caterpillars on them, and put in a fresh new one. So I hope this helps. Thanks!